All right, now that our panels are all off, then we can start to deflate the structure, and then we'll get it packed in the bag. So everything's under pressure. You don't need to use the pump to reverse the air out. So there should be enough pressure and enough dump valves to get everything moving. So we're just going to start opening up the clear dump valves to remove the protective cover. Control the fall. Okay, now our dump valves, all of our clear dump valves are all open so the air is able to escape out. So next, this is pretty crucial or critical. This is a very best practices for maintaining the structure and a long life for the structure. Packing it down prevents any twists and turns and pinches, and it really, really protects the bladders inside and your structure in general. So we're going to go over this in detail, but it's really quick and easy. So again, we're going back, we're reversing the process, if you will. So we're going to lay everything out flat, starfish it out, the legs are all out straight. And then what we're going to do is, if my front and back, the orange front and back are facing this way, I'm standing in the middle of the roof, I'm going to grab the middle of the roof, pull it up, and then sweep the legs underneath, so that now my two front and back arches are lined up. And what we're doing here is we're allowing those arches and the struts to all be straight. All right, we want them to be as straight as possible to, again, prevent any twists or turns or pinches. So now everything's laid out flat. My struts are all lined up. I'm going to kick the legs inside the structure. All right. Now I'm going to fold from the leading edge side the tent over on itself so that I'm capturing everything except for these two legs inside the space. All right. These two legs are held out on the end so that they can allow the air to breathe. And I've got a nice rectangular wrap here with two legs sticking out on the end. And then if you've ever been to camp, you need the air out. So you just tightly squeeze and roll, and clearing off anything that's on top. You can see I'm getting a nice clean tight roll here. And all the air is being kneaded out to the end legs there. Now we're back where we started. Nice, tight, small wrap. We get our bag, carry bag. So this is a top loading duffel. So we just lay it out flat, nice and open to receive the tent. We have our tent. Pop it inside. Work the bottom first so you can get that bottom in. And then stuff down. Now we're back in the bag and we still have room for panels and pump. Get our panel envelopes in there so everything stays together. Buckle our front buckles to help that zipper. Alright, throw it on your back and you're out. So that's all it is. That's start to finish. You just saw the setup and the pack down. And like I said, if you have any questions, then let us know. We can make any tutorial videos that you're interested in. But we really appreciate being part of the team and are excited to introduce this to your franchises and your clients. So thank you so much for the opportunity.